This video will show you how to download, install, license, and open SPSS version 27 on a Windows computer. When you've placed your order and received the email from Hearne.Software, you'll be directed to a page like this, where you can watch a video with step-by-step installation instructions and also select which SPSS installer file you need to download. There are options for both Mac and Windows. This video is for Windows users. There's a separate video if you have a Mac. SPSS version 27 will only install on 64-bit Windows operating systems. Select the Windows download by clicking here, and you'll be taken to a page on our website where you can enter your details and then start the download. Agree to the terms and conditions and then choose I'm not a robot. This is an important security check which confirms that you're a real person and are not an automated robot. You may be asked to click on pictures like this. If you are, select the right ones and then click Verify. Then click Submit. I'm using the Google Chrome browser. You can see the download starts in the bottom left-hand corner here, and you can access the download section at any time by clicking on the three horizontal lines in the top right here and choosing Downloads. The Firefox browser will ask if you want to save the file. Choose Save File and the download starts in the Downloads section of the browser. I can return to this section at any time by clicking up here. If you're using Internet Explorer, you'll be asked if you want to run or save the installation file. Choose Save and the download will start. You can see the progress at the bottom of your screen. You can access the download at any time by clicking the cog icon in the top right and selecting View Downloads. The time it takes to download depends on the speed of your internet connection. Typically, it takes between 10 and 20 minutes, but it can be slower if you're on a wireless connection. When the download has finished, go to the Downloads section of your browser and then your Downloads folder. You should now see the downloaded SPSS installation file. Right-click on this and choose Run as Administrator. It may ask if you want to allow the program to make changes. If it does, choose Yes. When the installer starts, press Next. Accept the terms of the license agreement and then press Next again. Leave the installation folder as is and press Next again. Then press Install. We've speeded up the video of the installation process. It normally takes between 5 and 10 minutes to complete. When the installation is finished, you'll see this screen. Make sure you leave this box checked, then click Finish. This will open the SPSS License Authorization Wizard, where you can enter your authorization code to license SPSS. Select Authorized User License and then click Next again. Enter the authorization code you were sent by Hearne.Software. Copying and pasting from our email is best, as it's very easy to make a mistake if you type it. Then choose Next. You should see a green Authorization Succeeded message. Choose Next again, and then finally Finish. Once SPSS has been installed, you'll need to find it on your computer before you can use it. If you're on Windows 10, you can find the program by going to the Start or Windows icon in the bottom left of your screen. Find the IBM folder under I for IBM, and in there you'll find both the SPSS Statistics program and the SPSS License Authorization Wizard. If you need to run the SPSS License Authorization Wizard, right-click on it, select More, then Run as Administrator. To run the SPSS Statistics program, just click it, and the program will open. If you need support for downloading, installing, and licensing SPSS, go to www.Hearne.Software and click on the FAQ link at the top of the screen. Select SPSS Grad Pack for Students by IBM, and you can then browse our FAQs which have answers to the most commonly asked questions about purchasing, installing, and licensing SPSS. If you can't find the answer you're looking for, click here to chat to us. We're online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.